Hello, my dear students. As you have all seen part 1 and part 2, it was totally for you students. As a syllabus, it was discussed, paper pattern was discussed. Then, in part 2, I have discussed about the pre board marks. After you getting the pre board marks, after you check the pre board papers, how you need to prepare for your board exams. These two things I have told you in part 1 and part 2. So, today's video is related to examination tips to be followed by the parents. So, let's start with part 3. Stay tuned. Hello, my dear parents. As I am back with part 3 for the examination tips, especially for you. So, you need to keep in mind, as you all are working parent, both might be working or a single parent can be working. But always remember, board exams are very important, whether your child is in 10th standard or in 12th standard. So, first thing which you need to keep in mind is give time to your child. Talk to your child. Is your child having any concern related to the exam? Spend time with the child. I am not telling take child outside. At home only, at last 1 month, when your child is preparing for the board exams, that time the child might be recapping the things, revisions might be going on. Child is 24/7 sitting at home. So, talk to your child at least half an hour in a day, 1 hour in a day. So, what happened? Child gets relaxed. Next, you need to remember is child might be doing late night studies. Kindly try to avoid late night study. Let child study in daytime and sleep at night so that the child can get a complete 6 hours sleep. Is also necessary for a child. Then only after completing 6 hours sleep, then only a child will feel more energy to study. That's why I'm telling, avoid late night study and sleep at the night. Then comes avoid junk foods. Better not to eat outside food. Have homely food. So being a parent, being a mother, if a child is having a homely food, that will be a more healthier only. And it is more better to have fruits, vegetables in this duration. And nowadays we all know, without phone, without gadget, no one can survive. But try to avoid this important thing from the life at least for 1.5 month. See to it that your child is not having screen time, because once child is already occupied with the study, everything is going with the studies related to the mind. But once the child is having a free time, tell the child to have a conversation with your family, to the elders at your home, to you yourself, rather than doing a screen time. What happens once the screen time starts, it is not going to end. They will just do hi hello with their friends, but slowly gradually whatever they have studied, they are not going to remember. What conversation they have started with their friends, that they are going to recall later on once they start studying. So better try to avoid social media also and a screen time also. And next one is very important, when a child is going to the exam hall. The day when child is leaving home for the exam hall, that time being a parent, we should check the bag first, whether the child is having all the important documents related to examination. Books are not necessary to be taken to the exam hall because they don't allow bag inside the hall. So first important thing is they should have admit card. Second is school ID card. Third is the pencil box, pouch or geometry box, scale, and next is if they want a writing pad, then transparent writing pad is required. Wooden board, if they are going to take, exam center will not allow. In exam hall, the invigilator will tell them to keep it aside. And the one important thing is, at this will be exams will be happening in a summertime, so better to have a bottle. And it most important, the bottle should be a transparent steel bottle. Thermal bottle they won't be allowing in the exam hall. So as a parent, you should always remember every day when they are going for an exam, ask them. Don't assume that everything they have taken. They all might be thinking about the studies. Once I'll reach in the exam hall, what is going to happen? Am I going to meet my friends today? Which teacher will be there today? This all will be running in their mind. So better as a parent, before going towards the school, at home itself check the bag of your child, so that everything is properly arranged in the bag. Book is not required, as I said. And very important, before leaving the home on the day of exam, try to give the healthy breakfast to the child, so that the remaining 3 to 4 hours the child is going and sitting in the exam hall should not feel lethargic. The child is being healthy, stomach is full with the breakfast, and the child is taking a water bottle with the child, so that the child can go and drink the water in the exam hall. And avoid sending the child alone to the exam hall. Better, being a parent, you can go and drop or send it to the any of the friends' parent, so that alone child is not going to the exam hall, because many certains can be happen. So kindly avoid that. And very important, as we all know, we are not the one who does everything. Almighty is the one who supports us also. So before leaving home, take the blessings from the elders. Pray to the Almighty, so that the Almighty can also support us. So, being a parent, always be with your child. As I don't want to guide this or tell this, but this is just an information which we need to remember, because many incidents we have seen it. So it should not be repeated with your child. So do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you. All the best.